Hello, good afternoon everyone. Again you are welcome. 10th RBSC और चैप्टर हीरो जो हमने आधा खत्म कर दिया था. New words are also there. Some means friends, desperate, without any hope. These are all the new words, and whatever more are also available, I will also explain you. So dear children, what we were discussing, it is also important. A Hero is written by R.K. Narayan. I have explained you about the writer also and little bit about the story also. That was very interesting. It is the story of a chum, we can say it's a little champ named Swami, arguing with his father about whom? About the cover, or we can say courage, that both have different views. Swami was thinking that a person who is grown up had a courage, and father was thinking that courage never we can say include in the person who is grown up. Everybody can get a courage, हर बंदे के पास होता है. And he also telling the story of a tiger with a boy. That was a direct encountered the boy with a tiger, and how the boy saved his life. That was also important in this chapter. And who saved the boys? He had climbed up the tree for few hours, and some villager came there and they saved the life of the boy. Oh, that was the topic which made Swami in a problem. Swami was in a great problem because that was a normal discussion, and father and Swami were talking to each other, and father had challenged him, can you sleep for one night in my office room? क्योंकि जो पापा थे उसके वो चाहते थे कि स्वामी अपनी दादी के पास सोना छोड़ दे, क्योंकि वो बच्चा नहीं था, अभी इतना भी छोटा बच्चा नहीं था कि वो अपनी दादी या माँ के पास सोए. उसके फादर चाहते थे कि उसके अंदर कैरेज आए, वो डर निकले. लेकिन स्वामी था, वो उसकी हैबिट बनी हुई थी, वो अपनी दादी के पास सोता था पैसेज में. ऐसा डिस्कशन चल रहा था. द डिस्कशन वाज गोइंग ऑन एंड स्वामी एक्सेप्टेड अ चैलेंज. उसने चैलेंज एक्सेप्ट कर लिया, एंड ही वाज थिंकिंग दैट इट इज अ नॉर्मल टॉकिंग. But father was determined. Father was determined on his own decision, and he said that was the first of all, that was the offer, and secondly that became a command. And command, command or commands, okay na? Then Swami wanted to avoid himself to sleep in the night alone. So he slowly and steadily, when his father was again busy in reading the newspaper, he slowly and steadily, on tiptoed way, without making a noise, had gone to his granny and wanted to sleep there. Then what happens next? But are you already feeling sleepy? So granny asked this question to the boy when he had gone near to his granny. Don't you want a story? Swami की आदत थी कि वो जब सोता था, then he used to listen story from his grandmother. That is why the lady asked him, don't you want a story? Swami made with gesticulation. Swami ने इशारा किया to silence his granny. He said, silence, don't speak. But the good lady saw nothing. But उसने कुछ देखा ही नहीं, उसने इग्नोर किया इस चीज को. So Swami threw himself on his bed and pulled the blanket over his face. तुरंत बेड पे चला गया और कंबल अपने ऊपर मतलब गिरा दिया उसने. Granny said, don't cover your face. Are you really very sleepy? Again दादी बोली कि why are you covering your face? Are you really feeling sleepy? Swami leaned over and whispered, चुपचाप फुसफुसा कर बोला, please shut up Granny, don't talk to me. कह रहा कि प्लीज मुझसे बातें मत करो, चुप रहो. And don't let anyone call me even if the house is on fire. कह रहा है कि यदि घर में आग भी लग जाए तो मुझे मत बुलाओ प्लीज. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा था उसके साथ? क्योंकि उसको कहाँ सोना था? ऑफिस रूम में. किसका प्रपोजल था? फादर का. और इस चीज को अवॉइड करने के लिए बेचारा जल्दी सोने की कोशिश कर रहा था. तो कह रहा था कि इफ द हाउस इज ऑन फायर प्लीज डोंट कॉल मी. If I don't sleep at once, I shall perhaps die. What did he say? He had just wanted to sleep here. Otherwise, I will die. He turned over, curled and snored under the blanket till he found his blanket pulled away. थोड़ा घूमा और खराटे वाली टाइप में वो सोने की कोशिश करने लग गया. तभी उसकी ब्लैंकेट को किसी ने पुल कर दिया, उठा लिया. Father was standing over him. Who was standing there? His father. Swami's father was there. Swami, get up, he said. He looked like an apparition. What what was the imagination of father for Swami? The father was not like a father, he was like a ghost for him. That is why the sentence is used apparition. That is a ghost. In the semi-darkness of passage, little bit darkness was coming from the passage, through the passage, which was light by cone of light reaching from the hall lamp. जो कि हॉल में लैम्प जल रहा था उससे थोड़ा सा डार्कनेस खत्म हो रहा था. Swami stared and groaned as if in sleep. Swami ने बहाना किया. He pretended that he was sleeping. Father said, "Get up, Swami." Granny pleaded, "Why do you disturb him?" Father again said to Swami, "Get up, खड़े हो जाओ." Then Granny pleaded, requested. She said, "Why are you disturbing him?" "Get up, Swami," he said for the fourth time, and Swami got up. Father ने fourth time बोला, "Got up, Swami," and get up, Swami, and Swami got up. Father rolled up his bed, took it under his arm and said, Father ने बैग को रोल किया, took the bed in his arm and said और बोला, "Come with me." To whom did he say? He said this word to Swami. He said, "Come with me." Swami looked at Granny. इसकी तरफ देखा स्वामी ने. He looked at his grandmother, hesitated for a moment and followed his father into the office room. For a little bit time he hesitated, थोड़ा हिचकिचाया, and after some moment, or we can say after some time, he was following his father in his room. Where? In his office room. On the way he threw a look of appeal at his mother and she said, जब वो जा रहा था तो याचना भरी दृष्टि से, यानी थोड़ी अपील करता हुआ अपनी मदर की तरफ देख रहा है. And she said, तब बोली, "Why do you take him to office room?" She said to her husband. The mother said to her husband, "Why are you taking him into the office room? He can sleep in hall, I think." वो hall में सो सकता है, I think. "I don't think so." Father said, "No, I don't think so." Father said, and Swami slunk behind him with bowed head. बेचारा चुपचाप सर झुकाए उनके पीछे पीछे चल रहा है. Who was following him? Swami. Whom he was following? Father. Where the both were going? In the office room. "Let me sleep in hall, Father," Swami pleaded. Swami requested his father, "Please let me sleep in hall, Father. Your office room is very dusty and there may be scorpions behind your law books." कह रहा है कि your office room is not clean, that is completely full of dust, and maybe there may be scorpions, बिच्छू. तुम्हारे ऑफिस रूम में क्या हो सकते हैं? बिच्छू हो सकते हैं, लॉ बुक्स के. तो तुम्हारी जो लॉ बुक्स हैं, कानून की जो किताबें हैं, उनके अंदर क्या हो सकते हैं? उनके पीछे बिच्छू हो सकते हैं, वो मुझे काट सकते हैं. "There are no scorpions, little fellow. Sleep on the bench if you like." कह रहा है कि Father replied him, "There are no scorpions, little fellow. Sleep on the bench which you like." "Can I have a lamp burning in the room?" That was the next appeal of Swami. Can I have a lamp burning in the room? "No, you must learn not to be afraid of darkness." Father was saying कि you are not allowed to take a lamp in the room. What you have to learn, that you should learn not to afraid of darkness. अंधेरे से तो डरना ही नहीं है, तेरे को यही सीखना है. You have to learn that. It is only a question of habit. You must cultivate good habits. That is only a question of habit, that you had a bad habit, that you are sleeping near your grandmother, sleeping with your grandmother. That is the bad habit, and it is also a matter of cultivating good habits. And what is good habit for like children? That you should sleep alone whenever and whatever you have to sleep. Will you at least leave the door open? What did he, the next request? कि प्लीज दरवाजा खुला छोड़ दो. Who requested? Swami. He said कि क्या, पहले तो बोला कि स्कॉर्पियंस हैं, बिच्छू हैं. देन नेक्स्ट बोला कि मुझे थोड़ा सा लैंप चाहिए, इसके लिए फादर ने मना कर दिया. फिर बोला कम से कम डोर ही ओपन कर दो. All right, but promise you will not roll up your bed and go to your granny's side at night. Father बोला okay, but promise me that what would you do? You should not go to near your granny in the night. If you do it, mind you, I will make you the laughing stock of your school. अगर तुमने ऐसा किया, अगर तुम रात में तुम्हारी दादी के पास जाके सोए, then I would make you the laughing stock. मजाक का पात्र बना दूंगा. कहाँ? In your school. Means I would tell your friends about your habit. Got it? I will make you the laughing stock in the school. So what was happening? Swami had gone near his granny. He wanted to sleep with her. Granny was also unaware what had happened earlier. That is why she was saying that, are you feeling really sleepy, boy? Then Swami rebuked her and said, please don't let me awake. Okay. Then father came there. Father pulled up the pulled up the blanket and had taken Swami to the office room. Meanwhile, his wife also requested him, but he did not accept it. And Swami was also requesting him, please let me alone, let me sleep in the near the granny, but the father did not allow him. अब क्या हुआ? At last बोला कि अगर रात को तुम खड़े होकर चले गए, then you will be the laughing stock in the school. Swami felt cut off from humanity. मानवता से जैसे उसका मतलब रिश्ता ही टूट गया हो. He was pained and angry. He did not like the strain of cruelty he saw in his father's nature. He was pained, बड़ा दुखी था, angry, गुस्सा, and he did not like this type of cruelty which he had seen in the behavior of his father. He hated the newspaper for printing the tiger's story. He also hated the newspaper which had printed the tiger story, and he was also thinking that newspaper is responsible to make me like this. That is why he hated. He wished that the tiger hadn't sprayed the boy. उसने wish की कि काश वो बच्चे को छोड़ता नहीं वो tiger, who did not appear to be a boy after all, but a monster. वो तो boy था ही नहीं, वो एक राक्षस था. That was a monster because he had faced the tiger. ये सब चीजें उसके माइंड में घूम रही थी. All are wandering in his, we can say, going through in his mind, and he was thinking that this should not be happen, this should not be happen, that should be happen, and these things were running in his mind. Only one thing that was very dangerous for him, that he had to sleep in the office room of his father. As the night advanced, जब नाइट बढ़ी, धीरे धीरे रात होने लग गई, and the silence in the house deepened, जब साइलेंस और भी गहरी हो गई, his heart beat faster. Whose heart was beating very fast? Swami's heart. दिल तेजी से धड़कने लग गया. He remembered all the stories of devils and ghosts he had heard in his life. पता है डर को और ज़्यादा कौन बढ़ाता है? जब हम उसी चीज़ के बारे में बार बार सोचते हैं तो हमारा जो डर है वो हम पे हावी हो जाता है. And the same was also happening with Swami. He was getting fear and fear. From whom? Remembering the story, whatever story he have listened, he was remembering all the stories. How often he had chum means friend. Got it? His some money seen the devil in the banyan tree at his street end. कह रहा कि उसका जो फ्रेंड है मनी, उसने banyan tree पे किसको देखा था? बरगद के पेड़ पे भूत को देखा था. And what about poor मुंशी father, मुनीस father? उसके साथ पापा के साथ क्या हुआ? Who spat out blood because the devil near the river's edge slapped his cheek. Who spat out blood? उसके मुंह से खून निकला. The devil near the river's edge slapped his cheek. Got it? So he was remembering all the stories, whatever he had listened in his life. And what about Munshin's father who spat out blood because the devil near the river's edge स्लैप्ड हिज चीक, उसके गाल पे, नदी के किनारे पे उसके फादर के गाल पे थप्पड़ मारा था डेविल ने, जो राक्षस होता है उसने। व्हेन ही वाज रिटर्निंग होम लेट वन नाइट, जब वो रात को घर लौट रहा था तब। कौन याद कर रहा था सब कुछ? स्वामी। एंड सो ऑन एंड ऑन हिज थॉट्स कंटिन्यूड, द थॉट्स वर कंटिन्यू। ही वाज फ्रेंट विद फियर। A ray of light from the street lamp stayed in and cast a shadow on the wall. Only a ray of the light coming from the street lamp, which was burning in the street, and that was just like a shadow on the wall. So the stillness, all kinds of noises reached his ears, ticking of his clock, हर प्रकार की आवाजें। मे बी दैट वॉज द साउंड ऑफ क्लॉक, रशल ऑफ ट्रीज, पेड़ों की ससराहट, स्नोरिंग साउंड्स एंड सम वैग्यू नाइट इंसेक्ट हमिंग, और वो रात के कीड़े जो हमिंग कर रहे हैं, भुनभुनाते हैं ना, ऐसी आवाजें उसके कानों में आ रही हैं। हु वाज लिसनिंग दीज थिंग्स? स्वामी। डर को और अधिक डर बना रहा होगा। ही कवर्ड हिमसेल्फ विद अ ब्लैंकेट एज इफ इट वर एन आर्मर। What was the armor with him? जैसे कि कोई हथियार हो या फिर कवर हो। Only the blanket. He covered completely himself in the blanket. Covered himself so completely that he could hardly breathe. इतना ज़्यादा कवर कर लिया that he was hardly, gives a negative meaning. He hardly was breathing. He was breathing very hardly. Every moment he expected the devils to come up and clutch at his throat or carry him away. Every moment he was expecting. What was expecting? The devil would come and clutch him, throat or carry him away. उसको पकड़ेगा गले से और उसको लेके जाएगा। There was the instance of his old friend in the 4th class. Now he was in maybe 5th or 6th class, because that was the instance of his old friend in 4th class. He was remembering one incident. His friend who was in 4th class, who suddenly disappeared, जो कि अचानक गायब हो गया था। Who? His friend. And was said to have been carried off by a ghost to Siam or Nepal. और कहते हैं कि वो suddenly disappeared हो गया और उसको एक भूत ले गया। कहाँ? श्याम और नेपाल ले गया। These were the stories who's running in the mind of स्वामी। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अपना दोस्त है उसके मणि के, उसके बारे में कि जो पेड़ है बरगद का उसके ऊपर उसने भूत देखा। फिर जो फादर है जो उसके मुंह से खून निकलने लग गया था, उसको कनपट्टी पे रखा किसने? घोस्ट ने, रिवर के किनारे पे। ये सब वो रिमेंबर कर रहा था। हर प्रकार की साउंड, मे बी इट इज द साउंड ऑफ इंसेक्ट, मे बी इट इज द साउंड ऑफ ट्री, मे बी इट इज द साउंड ऑफ एनीथिंग एल्स, स्नोरिंग साउंड। ही आल्सो हैड अ ग्रेट फियर फॉर दीज ऑल थिंग्स and was unable to sleep in the office room. He was remembering all the incident of his childhood. Even he was a child, but he was right now he was remembering all the incidents. Swami hurriedly got up and spread his bed under the bench. जल्दी से खड़ा हुआ और बेंच के जस्ट नीचे अपना बेड लगाया। And crossed और रेंकर, ऐसा रेंकर चलती हो ना, crossed there. He was going there. He was going there. He went under the bench. It seemed to be a much safer place. What was the much safer place for Swami? What was much safer place for Swami? Under the bench. More compact and reassuring. ज़्यादा आरामदायक और उसको assure कर दे। He shut his eyes tight and encased himself in his blanket. क्या किया? He made his eyes tight and encased himself in blanket once again and unknown to himself. And अपने आप को ब्लैंकेट में कैद कर लिया उसने। And he was behaving like he is unknown to himself. अपने आप को भी नहीं जानता हो। Fell asleep and in sleep he was racked with nightmares. और रात को पहले से तो डरा हुआ था ही। कहते हैं ना, हम जिस चीज़ के बारे में सोचते हैं उसी के अपने सपने आते हैं, तो उसको भी ऐसे ही नाइटमेयर, भयानक सपने आने लग गए। A tiger was chasing him. What was the dream? A tiger was chasing him. His feet stuck to the ground. Whose feet? The boy's feet. चिपक गए जैसे. He desperately tried to escape, but his feet would not move. ये सपने आते हैं ना, तो ये रियल है. ये चीज़ जब हमारा कोई पीछा करता है ड्रीम में, तो हम ऐसे सोचते हैं कि हमारे पैर है वो मूवमेंट ही नहीं कर रहे आगे की तरफ. द सेम वाज ऑल्सो हैपनिंग विद स्वामी. It seems that he was not able to move, and who was chasing him? The tiger. The tiger was at his back, and he could hear its claw scratch the ground. Where was the tiger? Just behind him. And what he can hear, जो पंजों की जो स्क्रैच होती है ना, आवाज, that can be heard on the ground. Scratch, scratch, and then a light thud. तभी एक आवाज आती है. That is thud. Got it? A great frightening sound. Thud. Swami tried to open his eyes. Who tried to open his eyes? Swami. ये वास्तव में रियल में हो भी रहा था घर में, बट वो टाइगर नहीं था, कुछ और था. बट हिज आईलिड्स वुड नॉट ओपन. अपनी आंखें खोलने की कोशिश की लेकिन खुल नहीं रही थी. एंड द नाइटमेयर कंटिन्यूड. और सपना था वो कंटिन्यू था. इट थ्रेटेन्ड टू कंटिन्यू ऑल हिज लाइफ. कम जैसे हो रहा जैसे कि उसकी पूरी जिंदगी को उसने डरा दिया हो. Swami groaned in despair. What an inescapable dream. Swami was very sad, and we can see was groaning in despair. That was the dream that from which he cannot be avoided. Got it? So what we have discussed today, the start from tiger and going to end with the tiger. Swami wanted to sleep with his granny, went there, but father have taken him from that place. And where was the father taking him? To the office room. The questions हैं जो इसके, when I would complete this chapter, I will give you the questions of this chapter. Got it? Understand? But this is not we can say the chapter which we have completed. I hope you have got it, understood it. ये था डर जो कि उसका निकालना चाहते थे. कौन? His father. But you know mollycoddling जो होती है ना, mollycoddling, that is लाड़ प्यार जो होता है, that can also ruin the life of a child. We can say that we should not give a lot of love to the child, because we should not be overprotective towards our child, so that he cannot spoil his life. So आज के दिन इतना ही. Got it? Okay, bye.